Hey everybody, Brian here. We all know it's a major pain in the ass when you have your favorite USB mini micro USB cord and it keeps falling out of your phone. So many people think it's their phone that's going bad, the port. It's typically not. It's usually the cord or the cable. And what happens is there's some little tines on the back of this cable that get pushed in. Don't go out and buy a new cable. Waste of money. Get a 2-cent pin and you could fix it yourself in about 3 minutes. Here's a couple pictures of how to get it done. Enjoy.